Okay family, today we're going to be making cheddar stuffed barbecue beef dogs. These are going to be fun. Is a hot dog a sandwich, a taco, or a thing on its own? We asked the experts. According to Cube Rule, there are 8 categories of food, each defined by the placement of starch. Starch on the top and bottom that is not connected is obviously a sandwich, but starch on the bottom and 2 opposing sides is a taco. Therefore, a hot dog is a taco. Is it safe to say that a hot dog is not a taco, as the definition of a taco refers specifically to a Mexican dish consisting of filled corn or flour tortilla? But things get a little murky when it comes to sandwiches. According to Merriam-Webster, a sandwich is 2 or more slices of bread or a split roll having a filling in between. By that definition, hot dogs seems to qualify as sandwiches. Many people argue though that while the hot dog technically fits the definition of a sandwich, it simply is not a sandwich. It is its own thing. Pretty cool. You learn something new every day. Okay, and at this time, family, we're gonna go ahead and pull our beef dogs off the grill. Yes. And as you see here, family, we're gonna go ahead and top it with our sauteed onions and our sauteed sweet peppers. Go ahead and try it out, family. Natural flavor is the best. We're gonna add with some barbecue sauce with a dash of Tabasco, and it will get you to your bee's knees. And at this time, family, we're gonna get to the prize. Yes, the cheese. I want to say thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 5,000 Ddins. Until our next food adventure, peace.